Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will be walking you through the complete P2P cycle Procure-to-Pay in SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud. But before we dive into the actual process, it's important to understand two key prerequisites. We first need to create the material master, and second one is business partner. These are essential starting points for any purchasing cycle. Once those are in place, we will proceed step by step through P2P process from purchase requisitions till the end of the posting of invoice. So how to do it? Let's get started. This is the interface of S4HANA Public Cloud, same like a Fiori app. For the creation of the material, here you can see the search bar. You can type the T code as well, MM01 for the creation of the material. The T code is. Otherwise, if you know the tile name, app name, you can type the app name here. For example, create material. Once you click on this, you will be seeing this interface. Here, for the creation of the material, you need to select the material type. For this training purpose, I will create two material types, one for the non-stock material and one for the services. First, let's create the non-stock material, then press enter. Once you press enter, you can see these views. To maintain the material in it, start the procurement cycle, you need to maintain these three basic things. For the basic data, purchasing and accounting, it's by default we have already selected, so you can click on continue. Then it will ask you to put the plant name, so you can take it from drop down list, otherwise you can type it here. Then we will continue. Once you click on continue, the material code is already generated by itself. Now you need to put the description here. For example, laptop HP 001. Now two things we need to maintain here: base unit of measurement and material group. You can click on drop down list here. Once you click here, then this screen will pop up. Here in the find expression, you can search the material base unit of measurement. For example, I want to keep it's each, so I will type each, and then click on find. Now you can see the unit of measurement text along with the unit. So for the unit of measurement of each is EA, representing as EA. So I will double click on this, or otherwise you can click on OK. Then I need to select the material group, that this material is pertaining to which department and which group. For example, these are the groups which is already created. So here I will be selecting, for example, as IT material. Let's see. Then enter. Once you enter, it will take you to the next step of purchasing. See, the base unit measurement and material group by default is already there, as we already put it in the basic data. Now the second thing have been already done. Now third, we need to put the accounting. I will press enter again. Once you press enter, it will take you to the next step for the accounting. For the accounting, it's mandatory to have the valuation class. So here material base unit of measurement is already there. Now valuation class we need to maintain. It's already there. IT supplies is office supplies is. So for example, I'm taking this one. All the things are good. Then I will press enter again. It's just showing the warning message, not the error, that with price control B. It's already there. Then press enter again. Now it is asking to save this for material. Otherwise you can click, if you want to add something more, you can click on no. If we are okay with this, so you can click on yes. See, the material is created for the non-stock material. We will copy this material for the reference. Now with the same process, we will create another material for the services. For example, for services, where we have SERV, service product, we will select this and press enter. The same views are there already. We will click here. The plant is already there. Again, we will click for the continue. Now see, the material code is generated accordingly, and we need to put the description here. So in the description, I will put the cleaning services, for example. For example 2. Again, we need to select the base unit of measurement. You can type it here, for example, each or day. So you can select this for the services. It can be day, it can be month, or otherwise you can select it your own. For example, I'm taking again each for the reference, and material group is, I will select from here. Contracting services. Then enter. Again, the purchasing view is here, and base unit of measurement and material group is already there from the basic data. Now again, I will press enter. Now here again, I have to maintain the valuation class. I will select the valuation class. For example, it's other manpower cost. Then I will press enter again. Now it's asking to save. Otherwise, I will click on no if I want to add something more. So I will click on yes. So material is created. I will copy this material and save it for the reference. Now next video, I will be explaining business partner, how to create the business partner. Thank you.